Hey YouTube, this is the Death Scouter making another video, and today we are talking about installing an alphanumeric windshield banner. Subscribe and like the Death Scouter, no space in between, YouTube channel for more do-it-yourself car, Jeep, Wrangler, Jeep Liberty, and other vehicle do-it-yourself repair videos. Today we're talking about a foolproof way to install an alphanumeric banner on your decal on your windshield. First, position the banner where you want the letters to ultimately be on a freshly cleaned windshield. Hold the banner in place with masking tape or painter's tape across the top of the banner. Using a pair of scissors, make a partial vertical cut in between a few of the letters so that you can work on the banner a few letters at a time for better control. Remember, do not cut all the way up to the top of the transfer paper. Only cut to the height of the top of each letter, thus leaving an uncut strip of transfer paper across the entire top of the banner decal. Leaving the letters attached to the top of the transfer paper ensures that your letters remain perfectly spaced and will be installed exactly where they belong. When you are ready to start applying each letter, lift the decaled letter away from the windshield and gently remove the backing transfer paper, exposing the glue on the back of the vinyl decal. Keep a grip on the bottom of each letter and make sure that you do not allow the decal to accidentally come in contact with the window, as the vinyl decal will stick on contact and might be stretched and distorted should you try to move or remove it. They do make a decal solution that allows decals to be moved and removed as needed, but that will not be necessary if you follow this video and work slowly and carefully. Using a credit card or a decal squeegee, which they do sell in most area auto parts stores, place the straight edge of the squeegee at the very top of the transfer paper above the first letter you'll be working on, and gently start an up-down scratching motion of the squeegee, each time moving slightly down the vinyl decal. You will essentially be rolling the letter decal onto the window bit by bit, starting at the very top of the letter and gently using the squeegee to press the decal onto the windshield until you reach the bottom. By using this up-down scratching motion and working bit by bit, you will ensure that no air bubbles get trapped under the vinyl. Repeat this process one letter at a time until the entire banner is installed. If you follow this guide, your banner will be installed with each letter exactly where you intended it to be, and all letters will be straight and properly spaced and aligned. Should you find an air bubble in the vinyl, work the bubble towards the edge of the decal with the squeegee. If need be, although this usually applies only to larger decals, a bubble that cannot be removed can be remediated with a small pinprick or preferably a small razor blade slit that will allow you to press the air out of the bubble and flatten the decal onto the glass. When you are done installing all of the letters, go back to the first letter you started with and gently start to peel away the top transfer paper. Waiting until the entire banner is installed gives you the best chance that the glue on the back of the vinyl has had time to cure, and you won't risk peeling the decal off as you peel away the transfer paper. As an added measure, repeat the small up-down scratching motion of the squeegee or your credit card as you slowly peel back the top transfer paper. This ensures that the decal is not accidentally lifted from the windshield glass. When you are done, your decal and banner will be installed exactly as it was intended to be. This has been another do-it-yourself video by the Death Scouter. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Death Scouter, no space in between, for more videos, and please leave some comments. Let me know if this video helped you out. I sure hope it has. Thank you.